Hi guys, welcome back. Today I've got a fun and very simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam display tray. And this display tray can be used for upcoming holidays. It could be used as a wedding centerpiece. It can just be used to display things around your home for everyday use. But it's very simple. And so what I have here is just like one of these clear glass plates from Dollar Tree. It has a little bit of detailing on it, which I think is very nice. And then I have more of like a tulip-shaped vase that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I've got some clear gemstones. And then I also have some hot glue. If you have some diamond wrap will work as well. But these are the items that we need to get the project completed. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some of the gemstones right around the perimeter of this platter or plate, just to punch up the glam factor a little bit. In this vase, I'm going to be adding gemstones to this top edge, and I'm going to be adding some gemstones down here as well. And look at these pieces. Didn't they turn out beautifully? Look at the plate, just very simply done with a little bit of embellishment. And the same thing with this portion here that's going to be used as the pedestal. So what I'm going to do is run a very thin bead of hot glue around the very edge of this. Now, if you want to make this permanent, you can always use a 6000. Look at how gorgeous that is, guys. Very simple and so elegant. And now let's go ahead and start taking a look at some different ways to decorate with this tray. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful Glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.